Hello friends, welcome to another Resolve tutorial video. In this video, I will show you how to create a free Gmail account. Let's now move on to the tutorial video. You can easily open a free Gmail account from your computer, phone, or tablet. Let's get started right away. Search for Gmail in the Google search engine. From the search results, go to the accounts.google.com address and click on the Create Account section in the window that appears. In the new window, fill in the name and surname fields, and then click on the next section. In the new window that appears, enter your date of birth in day, month, year format, and select your desired gender from the gender section. In the next section, fill in the username you want to use and press the forward button. In the new window that appears, enter the password you want to use in both boxes. Please note that your password must be at least 8 characters long. Once you have filled in the password field, press the forward button. Here we are at the final stage. Enter your phone number on the screen that appears to have a code sent to your phone. Enter the received code in this field to access your email. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it. For more informative and educational videos, don't forget to subscribe to my Resolved channel. Thank you very much for watching.